In any market, the infrastructure always wins and makes money, regardless of what the assets actually do. Casinos profit whether gamblers win or lose. Exchanges make money whether Bitcoin goes up or down. Now stick around with me for a second. For the past 4 years, I have been teaching crypto investors how to be the infrastructure instead of betting on it, how to become the bank. And the results? Well, 20 to 30% in annual returns while still keeping all of the upside if Bitcoin goes to 200K or 500K. So in the next 12 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, the framework, the mindset, and the systems. Let's dive in. Okay, so here's what most people do not understand about crypto. You do not have to choose between earning income and price appreciation. You can have both. Let me explain what I mean. You see, most people think, okay, I'll hold my Bitcoin and hope that it goes up, or I do something with it to earn income. Well, that's completely wrong. You can earn income on your Bitcoin and still capture all of the upside when Bitcoin goes to 200K. It's not one or the other, it is both. I mean, think about it like this. The casino does not care if gamblers win or lose. The casino makes money either way because the house always wins. The gamblers, though, they're hoping to get lucky. Maybe they win big, maybe they lose everything. It's a gamble, but that's what holders are doing right now. The casino, on the other hand, they generate consistent profits year after year. Market conditions do not matter. So here's the shift that you need to make. You need to stop betting on the casino, but rather you need to own the casino. You need to be the liquidity, the lender, the infrastructure, and more importantly, the bank. This is the fundamental shift that I have been talking about in my other videos. It's going from speculation to systematic income generation. Now, instead of just hoping that your coins go up, you actually position yourself to earn income regardless of what happens. And then you also get the price appreciation on top. Now, if you have at least 100 grand in crypto, and this is making sense so far, there's a link at the top of the description to speak with my team. We'll show you exactly how this would work in your portfolio. But first, let me break down the system. So I call this the GPS system, and it has 3 separate phases. I mean, think about it like building a house. You need a foundation first, and then you need to build a structure, and then you need to reinforce it so it actually lasts. Let me walk you through each phase. Phase 1 is the Genesis Gateway. This is where you learn to safely navigate what we call the primary crypto markets. These are the places where the real opportunities actually exist, not the marked up exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. I mean, think about Coinbase as the retail store. They mark everything up 2 to 3%. They're the middlemen. The primary markets, that's like buying wholesale directly from the source or supplier, except you don't have a quantity minimum. In this phase, you learn 3 separate things. Number 1 is how to set up a secure wallet. Number 2 is how to safely connect to these primary markets. And number 3 is how to make your first test transactions so you get comfortable before deploying serious capital. In other words, you want a FAFO basically, with a couple $100, get familiar, and then move on into the next phase. Phase 2 is Perpetual Flywheel. This is where you build your income generating machine that compounds strategically. And the flywheel has 3 main strategies that work together. Liquidity providing, where you earn fees from people trading. Lending, where you earn interest from people borrowing. And strategic borrowing, where you use your crypto as collateral, borrow capital, and use that to deploy more capital into pools. The beauty is these strategies feed into each other. You earn income from liquidity pools, you reinvest that income into more positions, those positions earn more income. It's a flywheel, it compounds itself. And the goal here isn't just to earn more income, it's to accumulate more of the assets that you believe in. Remember, would you rather have 1 Bitcoin or 1.5 Bitcoins when it hits 200K? I mean, the flywheel will help you accumulate that extra 0.5 Bitcoin over time. Now, phase 3 is the stability fortress. This is where you scale while lowering your risk over time. You start adding these stablecoin strategies. These are positions that earn income but aren't exposed to market volatility. You can think about it like having a mix of growth stocks and bonds. The bigger your portfolio gets, the more you shift towards stability. You're still earning great returns, 10, 20, 30% on your stablecoins, but you're not taking as much risk. This is how you build generational wealth, not by gambling everything on one bet, but by building a system that works in any market condition. So that right there is the GPS system. Genesis Gateway, you learn the basics. Perpetual Flywheel, you build the income machine. And Stability Fortress, you scale safely. Now let me show you why this works. So I want to give you a real world example of the infrastructure mindset. Think about Coinbase, the exchange. Last year, Coinbase made $7 billion in revenue. $7 billion. Do you think they care if Bitcoin is at 60K or 100K? No, they make money either way because every time someone trades, Coinbase takes a fee. So they are incentivized to get you to trade. Bitcoin goes up, people trade. People are selling, maybe some are buying. Coinbase makes money. Bitcoin goes down, people panic sell, some others, they actually buy. Coinbase makes money. Bitcoin goes sideways, people still trade. Coinbase makes money. Matter of fact, they make the most money during periods of volatility. That right there is infrastructure, my friend. That's being the casino instead of the gambler. Now imagine if you could position your portfolio the exact same way. Every trade that happens on these decentralized platforms, you can earn fees on. Every transaction, you can collect income. Market go up, you profit from price appreciation. Market go down, you still profit from the fees that you're collecting. This is what I mean by being the infrastructure. You're not trying to time the market. You're not trying to guess if we're in a bull run or a bear market. You're just systematically earning income regardless of the market conditions. And the beauty is this exists in a subsector of crypto called decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is the financial infrastructure layer. And right now, most people don't even know that it exists, which means the opportunity is still massive. So let me show you the difference between the traditional approach and the infrastructure approach. The traditional approach looks like this. You buy crypto, you hold it in your wallet or on Coinbase, you hope the price goes up, maybe you sell at the right time, maybe you don't. That's it. That's the whole strategy. Hope is the strategy. And then you have the infrastructure approach. You deploy your capital into income generating positions. You earn fees and interest every single day. You compound those earnings back into the system. You accumulate more assets that you believe in, and you build wealth systematically. Do you see the difference? One is gambling, the other is building a business. One depends on luck and timing, the other is systematic and repeatable. Now here's the crazy part. You still get all of the upside from price appreciation. If you're earning 30% per year from the infrastructure approach and Bitcoin goes from 100K to 200K, you make money from both the 30% income and the 100% price increase. That right there is the power of not having to choose. You get both. Now look, I know you're probably thinking that this sounds almost too good to be true. And honestly, I thought the same thing when I first discovered this. So let me share my story real quick. I got into crypto in 2021. And I made every possible mistake that you can make. I lost 30 grand to Terra Luna collapse. I thought it was a safe stablecoin, and frankly, it wasn't. I lost another $10,000 trying to do leverage trades. Thought I could time the market. I couldn't, very clearly. And then I got rugged by projects that look legitimate. I lost a ton of money there too. I paid about 50 grand in tuition, basically, to the market, learning what not to do. But once I stopped gambling and started treating this like a business, once I figured out the infrastructure approach, everything changed for me. I went to consistent 20 to 30% returns on my overall portfolio level, year after year. Bull market, bear market, sideways market, doesn't matter. And it's not just me. I've been teaching this system for the past 3 years through my company, Builder Wealth. Our clients have deployed over 50 million using this exact approach. We have doctors, lawyers, business owners, retirees, people from all walks of life. The system works, but it only works if you have a system. You can't just wing it. You can't just throw money at random protocols and hope for the best. You need a framework, a strategy, risk management. And that right there is what the GPS system is designed to be. I know what some of you are thinking. Jake, this sounds too good to be true. How could I possibly earn 20 to 30% returns? I mean, come on, you're just spewing. And I get it, I was skeptical too, but here's the difference between this and all of the scams that are out there in the crypto industry, to be frank. Number one, I'm not promising overnight riches. This is a systematic long-term approach. Number two, I am not hiding the risk. There are risks involved. I will teach you how to manage them. Number three, this isn't about chasing 1000% APRs on some sketchy new protocol. This is about sustainable risk-adjusted returns. I mean, I want you to think about it. If you can do 10% per year in the S&P 500, with that being one of the largest investments in the world, what about the crypto market where you're taking on significantly more risk? 20 to 30% per year is perfectly reasonable. We also only use established protocols that have been around for years with billions of dollars in them, to be frank. My thing is, if we're already going to take a lot of risk by being in this volatile industry that is frankly not regulated really, right? I would rather take low risk when I actually do dive into this industry and go with the stuff that is the lowest risk in the high risk industry, if that makes sense. So your skepticism is actually a good sign. It means that you're thinking critically. The people who succeed in this industry are the ones who do their research, who ask questions, who understand what they're doing before they deploy capital. And that right there is exactly who I want to work with. So if you got 100 grand or more in crypto and what I've shared today makes sense, if you're ready to stop gambling and frankly start building some infrastructure, if you want to learn how to position your portfolio like the infrastructure instead of just speculation, click the link at the top of the description and book a call with my team. If we're a good fit, we'll work together. If not, we'll part way as friends. Simple as that. And look, this really isn't a question of whether you want to do this. I mean, I think by now you can clearly see the opportunity. The real question is, do you trust me to help you do it right? So I just want to quickly show you our Trustpilot page. We have all 5-star reviews from people that have worked with us at our consulting services. And the only bad reviews we have are from the people that weren't allowed to work with us. And frankly, you can go and read all of these reviews for yourself. These are people that are getting real results. I'm not hiding behind some anonymous avatar. This is my real name, my real face, my real business. You can go and do your research and verify every single claim that I've made. I've been doing this for over 4 years. I've made mistakes so you don't have to. So the question is, are you ready to make the shift? And are you ready to stop being the gambler and become the casino? If the answer is yes, click the link right now. Now, in my next video, I'm going to break down exactly how the perpetual flywheel works, the specific strategies, how to calculate your positions, how to manage the risk, the actual step-by-step implementation. So if you guys want to see that one, make sure to drop a like, subscribe with notifications turned on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.